Hey everyone, Nathan Stonehaven, Landscape and Design here again. We're gonna go through the install of the Dax. Really great path light, has an amazing V-shaped light that comes right across the entire patio. Adds a lot of interest into our patio spaces at night. So we have our Fang here for all our softscape applications. Also comes with the hardware for any hardscape applications where we're installing patios, decks, whatever other space that we need. What's also really cool about the Bold boxing is it comes in all environmentally friendly packaging. No plastic, this is literally all the garbage that comes in here. And of course we have our actual light fixture, the Dax, with our Cobra connector. So every Bold light fixture comes with its Cobra connector. Inside of here is where you have the fangs that have the venom inside, as all us contractors like to call it. Very easy to use. I'll show you how quickly we can install that right here. We have all our pre-run lines. With our pre-run lines, Cobra connector goes around, cap goes over, and clip snaps. We have light. Since we're using this in a softscape application, we're gonna put our Fang right in the bottom of our light on our Dax. Just twisting it on, nice and solid. We'll slide it right into our ground. Here we had a fairly easy application where our soil was very receptive to the Fang. Once in a while you might have some harder ground. There's a few different ways to go around that. You can either have a bit on your drill to open up the ground a little bit. You can take a mallet, keep them separate, but take the mallet to the Fang itself, tap that into the ground, and twist your Dax onto there once that's in. A few different ways to get around that issue. Now that we're in the ground, we can throw our cables back together. Very simple. Plug, twist, and we have light. So just like that, there you have it. One light installed, quite a few more to go. Be sure to follow for more videos on the Bold YouTube page, Instagram, and other social medias. And if you want, give us a follow too, Stonehaven LD on Instagram.